In this video, I will be creating some beautiful succulent wall art. This is a great alternative to living succulents which need maintenance and care. First, let's gather the materials. I'm using plastic succulents, a box frame with some depth, moss, and lots of glue. I apply glue all over the frame so the moss can stick on firmly. I'm just going to do section by section, covering up the whole entire wooden frame. I really put a thick coat of moss so it covers all the frame and especially around the edges. I am done putting moss all over the wooden frame. Now I am just arranging the plants in a way that I feel like is right to me. Even if you don't have a lot of succulents to fill the frame, space it out so the moss can show through. Since the frame is shallow, I cut off the stems from the plants. You can see that I'm done positioning the bigger plants. I have gotten some smaller filler succulents to put as fillers from Michael's. And I'm just putting the tiny succulents wherever I feel like is right. No matter how you arrange the succulents, these look good in any position. Once I am done positioning all the plants, I take my hot glue gun and I'm going to start securing all of the plants onto the wooden board with my hot glue gun. I am making sure to put a lot of hot glue so the succulents stay in place for a long time. Since I have so many succulents left over, I will be making a different design. I have a wire frame in the shape of a heart. It is not flat and it has a hump in the center. I will need to fill this hump with floral foam, which I cut into the shape of a heart. I need to layer more foam in the middle section as the hump is more raised in the middle than around the edges. You can use any glue to attach the foam pieces together. Next, I add glue all over the foam and layering on the moss. It is okay if you don't cover all the areas, as the succulent will cover up any bold spots. Before putting on the plants, I need to glue the foam and moss onto the frame backboard. Center the foam heart correctly, then I put on the wire frame. I secure the wire frame with screws at random but strategic places. I put on the washer so that the screw heads do not slip through the wire frame. To keep the screw from detaching or popping up, I use a nut to secure the end of the screw once it is drilled through the board at the back end. Now I'm ready to put on the succulents. This time I didn't cut off the stem. I will leave the stem so it can stick through the foam. The plant sticks pretty well on the foam without glue, but you can add glue onto the stems if you want to secure it more permanently. Use your imagination and position your succulents in any arrangement. I fill in the gaps with smaller filler succulents. You may not find a heart-shaped frame like mine, but you can use any shape like a circle wreath wire frame. This project is simple to make and it brings a sense of greenery into any room. The best part is that it is maintenance-free and water-free. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!